DJ Khaled opens up about his legendary baby boy Asad at BET Awards. I work for him. DJ Khaled's infant son, Asad, stole the spotlight once again at the 2017 BET Awards by being the coolest little dude ever. The proud papa showed off his 8-month-old superstar son on the silver carpet, holding him up in the air like he was recreating the famous scene from The Lion King, and it couldn't have been more adorable. Khaled spoke with Ed's Kevin Frazier on the carpet, and expressed how much he truly cared for his little boy. I love him so much, mommy loves him so much, our whole family loves him and the world loves him, the 41-year-old artist marveled. God gave me my biggest blessing. Khaled and his fiancée, Nicole Tuck, welcomed their son in October, and they couldn't have looked like a happier family while posing for photos outside the show. Me and his mommy always keep him around greatness, we always give him joy. We always give him happiness. We always give him love, he explained. The way I was raised, my family brought me around what they do, you know what I'm saying? And I'm bringing him out what me and mommy do. Asad soaked up the majesty of the star-studded evening and even dressed up even fancier than his father, rocking a sky blue tuxedo with black trim custom designed by Gucci. Gucci made it for him. Mommy took him to the Gucci store and got Gucci to tailor him up, DJ Khaled told ET. The stylish infant matched rapper Gucci Mane, who came decked out in his own matching $6,200 sky blue Gucci tux. The artist took to Instagram to share a snapshot of him and the awesome toddler, which he captioned, simply, twins. DJ Khaled shared a few sweet snapshots of the moment as well, writing, legendary. It's a big night for Asad for more than just his epic style game and photogenic charm. The infant is technically credited as the executive producer of his father's 10th studio album, Grateful, and his dad is nominated for Best Collaboration, along with Beyoncé and Jay-Z, for the single Shining, off the record Asad executive produced. Asad is gonna be everywhere cause he's legend. He's a legend already, DJ Khaled promised. I'm gonna give him so much joy, so much happiness forever. I work for him. This isn't the first time the little music mogul stole the spotlight at an awards show. Back in March, DJ Khaled introduced his young son to the world at the iHeartRadio Music Awards before presenting Ed Sheeran's performance, and an adorable Asad melted everyone's heart.